So hello guys, today in this video we will discuss about one interview question, that is what is the output of this and what is the output of this and what is the output of this. Huh. I think so it will be this. Yeah. So what is the output of this? So if you see this, uh, you will not understand what is the actual output is. But if I tell one concept, then maybe you will understand what is the actual output of it. So in a JavaScript, there are two functions. One is called value of, and another one is toString. Okay. So what happen is when we put let name is equals to suppose AJ. Okay. What happen is there is a bucket called value of, and I want to know the type of what is the actual type of this. So type of, suppose I want to know the name type. So when I want to know the type of name, what happen is that this name will be goes inside this value. Okay, the name will be goes inside value of. Now what is value of doing is they only know the type of primitives. Okay, so they only know the primitive types. So if I send here something like this, AJ, so he will know that the type of this is string. If I pass something called 45, and he will know that the type is number. Okay, so this is how the value of work. But if I put name here and I put something called empty array or some value. Okay, suppose if I pass the empty array or some array inside value of, then he will not know what is the actual type of array is, because value of only know the type of primitive types. So don't know. So now what will happen? So this value of, if he doesn't know what is the type of this data, he will send it to the toString, right? He will send it to the toString. Now toString will convert this data and return the type. Okay. So if toString will see this is an empty array, it will return an empty string. If it will see this is empty object, it will return something called the uh, wait, something called object. Wait, object, object. So this is how it will return the value, right? So this is how it will return the value. Now let's talk about basic type coercion. So I think so you will understand this, that how it actually work. So basic type coercion means let's consider the plus operator and the minus operator. So what happen is that if we type any string, suppose if I put 45 and after that I put a plus here and then 89 plus 56. Now if there is plus operator and before that operator any string will come, then after that operator everything will be converted into string. What does it means? It means that if there is 45, this is a string, and now after that there is a plus operator. Now what happen is this 89 will also converted into string. And this 56 is also converted into string. Now, if this all digits are converted in this string, and if we add them, it don't add like a number. It will concatenate it. Means it will give an output like this. This is a type coercion. Now, with minus sign, what happen is if there is any string or something, if I got a minus sign, every data will be converted into number. So if there is 56 and if there is 20, what happen is this 45 is converted into number 45. Then there is minus 56 minus 20. And what we get as an output? 56 minus 20, which is 36, and 45 minus 36, which is 9. So let's see, will I get this output or not? So there is 45 plus 89 plus 56, and another one is minus of something, minus of 56, and then minus of 20. So I got minus 31. I think so. There is some mistake that has been, yeah. So basically it's 45 minus, oh yeah, I'm wrong. 45 minus 56, which is minus 9, and no, 45 minus 56, which is minus 11, and then there is minus 20, which is minus 31. So, and this is 45, 89, and 56. So this is how basic type coercion work. And now let's check the output of this. Mm, log, wait, log. So log, um, mm, object, and we got, I can just remove this object and object. I think so. This will be not object and object. This will be empty string plus empty string. We got, and this will give an empty string. This will, oh yeah. This will be empty string. So we get empty string here, and we get the empty array plus object. So we get object here, and then this will be object, and then after that there is an empty array, so we get object again. So this is how it's actually work. So let's write something here. uh, will it be printed like hello or empty string? Yeah, hello and empty string. Yeah, it's worked fine. So this is about the basic of type coercion, and this is one of the interview question. So we will learn about this concept also.